Hello everyone and welcome back to my video.
Let's dive into the fascinating world of maritime law together. Here's a list of 20 commonly used terms with their descriptions. Feel free to ask for examples or deeper dives into any of them. 1. Admiralty Law. The branch of law that governs nautical issues and private maritime disputes, including ship collisions and salvage rights. 2. Bill of lading. A legal document issued by a carrier to acknowledge the receipt of cargo for shipment. It serves as a contract and a title of goods. 3. Salvage rights. The legal principle allowing someone who aids a distressed ship or cargo to claim a reward proportional to their effort and success. 4. Charter party. A contract between a shipowner and a charterer specifying terms for the use of a vessel, including its voyage, duration, and payment. 5. General average. A principle requiring all stakeholders in a maritime venture, shipowners, cargo owners, to proportionately share the losses resulting from a voluntary sacrifice to save the vessel and cargo. 6. Seaworthiness. The requirement that a vessel must be fit for its intended purpose, including being properly crewed and equipped. 7. Maritime liens. A legal claim against a vessel for unpaid debts or damages related to the vessel's operation, such as unpaid wages or repairs. 8. Hague-Visby Rules. An international convention establishing the rights and obligations of carriers and shippers for goods transported by sea. 9. Forum Selection Clause. A provision in a contract that determines which court or jurisdiction will handle disputes. 10. Cabotage. The legal regulation of shipping routes between ports within the same country, often restricted to domestic vessels. 11. Jones Act. A U.S. law regulating maritime commerce and protecting seafarers, requiring goods transported between U.S. ports to be carried on U.S.-built, owned, and operated ships. 12. Collision. A term for accidents involving two or more ships in navigable waters, often leading to legal disputes over liability. 13. Bareboat charter. A leasing arrangement where the charterer assumes full control and responsibility for a vessel, including its crewing and operations. 14. Freight forwarder. A company or agent responsible for organizing the transportation of goods, often acting as an intermediary between shippers and carriers. 15. Limitation of liability. A legal doctrine allowing shipowners to limit their liability for damages under certain circumstances, based on the ship's value. 16. Salvage award. The compensation granted to those who assist in saving a vessel or its cargo from peril. 17. Marine insurance. A type of insurance covering the loss or damage of ships, cargo, terminals, and other transport goods. 18. Port State Control, PSC, the inspection of foreign ships in national ports to verify compliance with international maritime conventions. 19. Arbitration Clause. A contract term specifying that disputes will be resolved through arbitration rather than court litigation, common in shipping contracts. 20. Proximate cause. In maritime law, the direct cause of a loss or damage, used to determine liability.
For more videos, subscribe Sailor 360 and stay connected.